the new year, and studies show that 25% of you will stay committed to your resolutions after 30 days.
Oh, and chances are, if you made a resolution, it involves a new or diet or losing weight.
Right.
Some kind of something in that area,
something with like
right?
the gym or losing weight or eating better. Registered dietitian Beth Warren with RDTV is joining us to weigh in, see what we did there, on this year's top diet trends. And look at this. I mean,
this is beautiful.
Alexa and I, and the whole studio for that matter, have been commenting how we just want to pretty much live on this table that you've created.
We should. Then I met my goal. Thanks so much for having me.
It's so good to see you.
Well, this is the time of year I get asked by clients and friends, what's going on with keto, paleo, or vegan diet?
Yeah.
And I totally get why people are so excited to try these trendy diets. I mean, we're all on Instagram these days, and when we're looking, we want to do it too. But it's really important to think about our health first.
Okay.
And we have to see, you know, why are these diets failing, and especially within the first 30 days? And you know what? It's because it's too restrictive.
I was just going to say, it's not realistic. It's not realistic. You just can't do that forever and ever, amen.
No, and then you go ahead and talk about eliminating entire food groups.
Which is not good, right?
Right, exactly, because what happens is that your body misses out on nutrients it needs. And when that happens, we should really be focusing on more real, wholesome foods.
Right.
Okay.
And you could consider going, let's say, dairy-free. And if you want to go dairy-free, because you see other people doing it, I always stick to science. And it's really important that we focus on that aspect of our health. And dairy is a natural component to our diet, and it has a rich nutrition package that we all need.
Okay.
Well, let's talk about some of the things that you've brought today, because this is fabulous.
Great. So what happens is that with the dairy diet, you could have, you could put it into the oatmeal, you could put it into a smoothie, you could incorporate cereal, and also all these fresh fruits and vegetables.
I love it. I have to ask you a question.
Sure.
I've heard a little bit about intermittent fasting.
Right.
It's like a trend.
It's a big trend. Yeah.
Exactly. With intermittent
What's your
fasting,
thoughts on that? Oh boy.
as a registered dietitian, I don't recommend that people should skip out on meals.
Okay.
What you should try to do if you want to try intermittent fasting is to stop eating at a point in the evening, allow your body to go through a natural fast over the night, wake up and have a nourishing whole food breakfast in the morning, and then see how you feel with it.
So just stop a little bit earlier in the evening, maybe.
Exactly.
And that makes sense.
That's common sense. Let your body burn, 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 burn.
Okay, just wanted to debunk that for everyone.
For sure. If you're trying to cut calories, and that's your main goal, what would you recommend?
Well, you can still be calorie conscious, but not forego your favorite foods. All you need to do is just try swapping full-fat dairy for a low-fat alternative in your coffee or in other recipes. You could also try having naturally sweetened things like fresh fruits to curb your sweet tooth.
Yeah.
Do you have any advice for people who are like, no, you know what, I do want to try this diet. They're set on trying it, but maybe they're having trouble.
Yes. Well, say someone wants to try a vegetarian diet.
Right.
The most important thing to be mindful of is that you focus on the nutrients you need, like proteins, calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12. So one thing I recommend people in a vegetarian diet do is incorporate a glass of whole milk with their meal. Because that way they're able to get the top source of calcium and vitamin D in their diet, a great source of vitamin B12, and it has as much as 8 times more protein than many of its non-dairy alternative milks like coconut, almond milk, and rice milk.
Interesting.
Okay.
Yes.
What about carbs? Are we allowed? Can we ever go into
Come on, Beth, give us good news.
Can we go into carb land ever?
I'm all about quality food choices. I love quality food. So over there it would be like butternut squash. You could roast that up.
Yeah.
That's also a carbohydrate. We don't only have to think of bread in our diet.
Right.
Yeah.
We kind of do that.
Plant-based, right?
Yeah. A lot of vegetables have carbs.
Yes. Vegetables have carbs, whole grains have carbs, and there's more to it than bread.
Yeah.
And you have a book.
Yes. Yes.
We have to show this off.
My book is called Secrets of a Kosher Girl, that you guys eyed because of the plant-based look in the front, that could display all these types of foods, fresh fruits, whole grains, protein, and real dairy.
Right.
And we can also follow you on social media. The book's out, though.
Yes, the book is out, and
Available.
social media at Beth_Warren.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the beautiful help. We're gonna have a very helpful lunch.
I know she said she's leaving some of it.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
It's gonna be delicious.
Either way.
Thank you so much.